Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. I am a writer and a vocal coach from England, and I specialise in teaching everyday English in usage and pronunciation. Today's word is reckon. 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 Reckon is a very useful word, and it's used in context when asking for or providing advice or an opinion which involves guesswork. So not providing facts or not asking for facts, but something that involves information which is an opinion with some element of the unknown included. For example, do you fancy going for a picnic today, or do you reckon it's going to rain? Who knows if it's going to rain? We don't know. But because there is some element of doubt, some element of the unknown, reckon is far more appropriate than what do you think or is it going to rain? We can't know. What do you reckon? So really it means what's your opinion based on very little information or very little authority, or even more, very little intelligence. That was a joke. That was an English joke. So reckon, you can give it as an opinion. You could say in casual conversation, I reckon that every member of One Direction will get together over dinner and reform the group. That's what I reckon. What do you reckon? Alternatively, in the question form, do you think that that particular politician is going to lose their election? What do you reckon? Because there is a vote involved and no one can predict the outcome 100%, there is element of the unknown, there is element of question involved. So you could say, what do you reckon? Well, you could say, I reckon that the opposition is going to win by a landslide. But who knows? The people vote. For pronunciation, 2 syllables, 2 sounds, reckon. Reckon. The stress is on the first syllable and the R is pronounced reckon. So con is contracted. Reckon. Reckon. Repeat after me. Reckon. 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 Please note, remember in English, not all questions end in a rising tone. So even if you're using this in a question form, what do you reckon? The sound at the end still goes down. It is still descending. So reckon could still be a question. That's it. Nice and easy. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It would mean so much to me. That would be wonderful. My new channel. And I reckon we would all get along if we all went on a picnic together. So thank you very much again, and I'll see you tomorrow for another English word. Thank you. Bye bye.